Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing the January Boxycharm. I know lately I've just been doing only Boxycharm products, but as soon as I want to do like a makeup look that doesn't involve Boxycharm, I end up getting their box and I'm like, what the heck, well let's just use Boxycharm. And you guys know I've been obsessed with their boxes lately. All the products that I've been getting from them so far, I've loved. Another thing I want to mention is I want you guys to let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see. I'm a little bit stuck because I know I've been doing vlogs and a mixture of like makeup videos, but I really want to hear you guys' suggestions. And of course, and always, I always want to film videos that you guys want to watch. But if you guys are interested in seeing this makeup look using the Boxycharm products for the month of January, then just keep on watching. And before I start applying any products on my face, I do want to start talking about some products that I already tried from the Boxycharm box. Two of those products were skincare. One of those products is this Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. So I'm just gonna read some claims. So it says it's an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. This refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid, I think that's how you say it, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. Ideal for a combination and oily skin. So it says moringa extract helps to purify skin by removing impurities and pollution residue. Alright guys, what I want to say about this toner is that, oh my gosh, I've been using it for a couple of days now. I want to say maybe about a week already. That's why I didn't want to review the Boxycharm box yet, because since two of these were skincare, I wanted to try them out first. But you can see that I have used it already. I've used that much. And guys, when I tell you this leaves your skin so smooth, it leaves your skin so smooth. It does exfoliate your skin a tiny bit, but I think that's what actually helps with feeling your skin smooth. And I also feel that it clears up my skin and makes it look refreshed. You guys, this actually I feel like has changed my skincare. So what I do, I wash my face every morning and every night, and then right after washing it, obviously I pat down the water and then I apply the toner before applying anything else. And then once I go in with like my moisturizer, I can actually feel my skin so smooth, as if like if I weren't to use this, my skin doesn't feel as smooth. But yeah guys, I don't know how else to explain this product, but oh my goodness, I feel like it has changed my skin so much. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right now it looks pretty clear. It feels so smooth, and I love how it gently exfoliates your skin without like leaving it dry. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this toner. And the price of this toner is $28, which I actually think it's not bad at all. It has been a game changer, like tremendously, like oh my gosh. So enough of this. The next product that I already tried from the Boxycharm box is this Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream, and it's this little guy right here. Now this goes for $82, which I thought was kind of crazy for this little tube. I mean, it's an eye cream and it's from Dr. Brandt, so I'm guessing it works miracles. And honestly, I have seen a difference in under my eyes. I have noticed a little bit more of brightness as far as like the wrinkles, because it does say it helps with wrinkles. I'll read to you guys what it claims to do. Helps restore and replenish moisture, helps reduce puffiness and fade dark circles, helps diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, helps recharge tired eyes, and provides a more rested look. Moisturizes the upper skin layers. So yeah guys, I have noticed that it does make my under eye a little brighter and I don't look as tired. So I feel like this has helped as far as not looking so tired, my bag's not looking as dark. And like I said, as far as wrinkles, I haven't noticed a huge difference. Maybe I just need to keep using it. But yeah guys, I'm gonna keep using these two products because I have noticed a change in my skin. Alright guys, for the next product that I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply on my skin is this Per 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. The reason why I say I might not use it is because it looks dark, and I did already like swatch the shade on the back of my hand, and it does look a little dark for me. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but it is a little darker than my skin tone, and it does have SPF of 20. I kind of just want to apply a little bit just to see how it looks. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but it's a little bit darker. It's in the shade MN3. On camera, it's not picking up too much of how dark it is, but you can see that it's a tiny bit darker than like my neck. So far, I love how it looks. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna finish up my face off camera just because Boxycharm didn't send any other like face products. So I'm just gonna finish up my face and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm done with the face. I'm gonna move on to eyes. And Boxycharm did come with an eyeshadow palette, and it's this by Violet Voss called Olive You Forever. And the packaging looks like this, which is very, very cute. And it looks like this. Whoa. It has very nice colors. So I'm gonna be using Wink, which is like this pinkish shade right here. And I'm gonna use that to set my eyes. All right, guys, change of plans. I'm not gonna be using that color for all over the eye because it's a very pinky color, so I don't want that all over the lid. So I'm gonna go in with this light shade right here from this Natasha Denona palette. And I'm just gonna apply that all over the eye. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go in with that Wink color that I was gonna go in with earlier. Next shade, I'm gonna use Wishful, which is this shade right here. And with the same brush, I'm just gonna go over that. Next shade, I'm gonna grab Infatuated, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna focus that in the outer part of the eye. Next shade, I'm gonna use Charmed, and I'm actually gonna apply that in the same like outer corner, but that one I'm not gonna blend out as much. All right, guys, so for the next shade, I'm gonna use Olive Me, and I'm actually gonna spritz this shadow with a little bit of face mist to see if it will actually make it pop a little bit more. All right, guys, I think the shadow looks better without wetting it. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna finish off the eyes and the rest of the face off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have finished the makeup look. So as you can tell, it does look a little bit different. So what I ended up doing, I grabbed a little bit of like pigment glue, and then I applied this glitter from Glamour Glitter Beauty Treats. I believe I had ordered this from Amazon, and it came in a set of like different glitters. But yeah, I put on like gold glitter on my lash line, and I did apply the lashes from the previous Boxycharm, the Glamnetic ones, where you apply like the glue and the lash is supposed to like connect to the glue. So I applied those. I know I said I wasn't gonna use them maybe, but I ended up using them because I had them here on my desk, so I was like, why not? I also applied this liner from Rimmel London Waterproof Eye Definer in the shade 250 Emerald Sparkle. So I applied that in my water lash line. And then for my lips, I applied the lip pencil from MAC in Dervish and the lipstick You're My Flame. So that is it for this video. Overall, for the January Boxycharm, I loved the products. And like I mentioned before, I am obsessed with the Pharmacy Skin Toner and the Dr. Brandt Eye Cream. So I highly, highly, highly recommend these two products. As for the eyeshadow palette, I loved it as well. The eyeshadows were very smooth and very easy to blend. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot there was one more product in the box. It's this Lipgasm by Trust Fund Beauty. And I just had it here and I just saw it. And I totally forgot it came in the box. So it's this super bright pink shade. So I'm kind of glad it's this shade because I was not gonna use it. I could tell already. It's super, super pink, but it's this shade right here. I don't like super pink shades like this, like that super bright pink. And like I said about the tinted moisturizer, I do like it. Like I said, it's just my shade. The shade that they sent me a darker shade, so I probably will be using this when I'm a little tanner, maybe in the summer. But I did like the finish of it. It was very moisturizing, and I like how it has SPF as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.